Okay, we're still in the room doing the puzzle thing. I think it's like episode 2. I don't know, but yeah. Alright, so. Oh no. Alright, so yeah. Right.
I wish I had my weapons.
Oh yeah, wish you had your weapons. Oh yeah.
Jill, you can't fight without a weapon. Just do your best to dodge.
Okay. Alright, so. Guess we have to go find Parker. So let's go in here. Trippy. Oh. Alright. Doesn't sound good. Oh, hello. What is he doing? Let's see what he's doing. What you doing, sir? What is that? Okay, so we're out here. Nice place, isn't it? Oh, a door. This nice boat though. Like I really like this boat. Like, but then again, look how big everything is. Got a turkey.
Jill, are you okay?
I'm fine, but the ship's crawling with BOWs.
Okay, we're going to need our weapons. I think I saw them on my way here, but I couldn't reach them. We should be okay as long as we work together.
Alright, Park.
Wait, there are more creatures this way. I found these though. Think we can use it?
Yeah, it just might do the trick.
I see him too big and I'm sitting there. What the hell is his feet? What is that? Alright, we'll go this way.
Weapons I found are just...
Oh! That wasn't cool. Hey! Dude just sitting there. He didn't even help me with it. Fuck. I need to get out of there. Swift kick. Okay, got my gun.
What does this revolver do? Oh sweet.
our equipment. Now what?
Now we contact HQ and tell them what the hell is going on.
We should be able to do that from the bridge. Let's go.
Fucking hell. Die, you son of a bitch. Oh, you snobby. Hey, no pet. You know what mama is. Come get mama. Hey, no pet. Look at the tall, freakishly no pet. Oh my god. Get your penis mouth out of here. Stay down. Oh, another one. Shoot him. Okay. Fucking hell. Come on, Park. Hurry up. Where is he? We got more bastards. Like, dude, still alive. You still alive? Oh my god. You're still alive? Die this time. I can't believe they were still alive after the first explosion. Fuck. Christ. Come on. I have no more health.
Things are hiding everywhere.
Shoot him. Don't need it. Die in here. Probably should. I could have done better, but come on, Park. Oh, there's a guy over here. Oh. Oh, die. Die, David. Yeah. There's ammo there, there's ammo there. I got 4 sets of ammo there. Oh my god. Come on. I'm almost dead here. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Leave me alone. I'm almost dead. Who's a prick? I'm hurt. There's a plant there. Good. Oh. Huh. We'll go to the bridge. Then once we get up to the bridge, we'll end the video, and next video would be where we left off. And we're on the bridge. Okay, so this is still episode 2, I believe. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. This is that, so bye. Next vid.